Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through 4 things that you are doing wrong in your Android devices. So the first one is that not rebooting your phone. Rebooting your phone is a good thing and you should reboot your phone sometimes. It is recommended that you should reboot your phone once in every week or in a fortnight. The next thing is killing the background apps. Here you can see the background apps. Many people just kill the background apps like this and they think they can just fasten their mobile by it, but it's totally wrong. In Android features, if you open that app again, you need to just use more power and more resources and your battery will drain eventually, so it's not a good thing to do. Now the third thing is just installing antiviruses app. Actually the antiviruses app is not helpful at all. Google services do all the work that antiviruses do, and also antiviruses causes lot of battery drain. They all time run in the background, and by running in the background they can just lose its power so much, so you should not just install antiviruses app. Now the last thing you do wrong is that not updating your device or your apps. You should update your apps and device because it can just fasten your device and it can also fix some bugs. So it is recommended that you should update your phone whenever it gets an update. So guys, that's the 4 things. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.